Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford C-Max generation from year 2012 to year 2019 and you're trying to find where the fuse for the airbag control module is located. All that will be covered in this video today. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, anything for a really good price for your car, you want to save quite a bit of money, get quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. Another thing, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. Now, if you're not certified and qualified to work on airbags, guys, I will recommend never to do that because they can kill you. So consider this entertaining video, not a how-to video. If you for some reason try to remove the fuse, if you're not qualified and certified, I will not recommend it, but always disconnect the car battery for at least 1 hour before removing or putting the fuse, because that way you will limit the power supply to the module and something terribly happening like exploding an airbag or anything like that. So now you have three fuse boxes on your Ford C-Max. We'll need to locate only the one that's actually inside, okay, in the passenger compartment, guys. Okay, come to the passenger side right here, right under, okay, here you're going to come under the glove box. You can see, okay, over here is where the fuse box will be located. We have that cover removed. If you want to see how to remove it, we have a special video that talks about the fuse box location on Ford C-Max. All that will be covered there. So now let's explain where, okay, that fuse exactly is located. On the top right side next to each fuse you have a number, guys, and you need to find fuse number 86. This is, guys, fuse number 86, okay, right here, which is a 10 amp fuse, guys. 86 is the one for the airbag control modules. That's the fuse. Now that fuse, guys, okay, controls practically the whole system for the airbag. If you need help with anything else, don't hesitate to let us know. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.